Good morning, students. Welcome to the Nivedita School online classes. Yes, in last videos, what did we study? Yeah, we studied about chapter 1, right? Chapter 1, value of cleanliness. Yeah, can you remember the story? Do you remember the story, children? Yeah, there were two friends, right? They were playing in a park, and what did they say? They see a street vendor on the road who was selling an uncovered food. Yeah, there were flies around the food. He was selling like that only. Then what happened? Yeah, Anuj felt hungry by seeing that food. After seeing that food, he wanted to buy the food from the street vendor. So he took also. But Ronit, what did he do? He said not to buy. But what did Anuj do? He did not listen to Ronit, but he took the food and ate without cleaning his or washing his hand. Next day, what happened? He got stomach ache. Anuj's mother took him to the doctor. There, the doctor gave him medicines and injections. Doctor also advised to keep away these medicine and injection. You need to follow some rules, he said. What were the rules? Do you remember? Yes, we should wash our hands before eating, children, and we should take bath daily. We should take bath daily and wear clean clothes. After washing the clothes itself, you should wear. We should not wear one cloth for 3-4 days. Yeah, we should wash and again we should wear the clean clothes. And we should brush our teeth properly in the morning and also at the night. Yeah, before going to the bed, we should brush our teeth and also we should rinse our mouth after meal. After eating food, what we should do? We should rinse our mouth. We should put water in our mouth and wash our mouth thoroughly so that if any particles of food are there, it will go out. Yeah, then we should keep our nails short and clean. Yeah, in our nail, if we don't cut our nails, all the dust particles or the dirty things will go and sit into our nails. And what happens? If we eat the food by that hand, all the dust particles which are in our nails, it goes in our mouth and we'll get stomach ache. For that sake only, we should cut our nails and keep our nails clean. Yeah, and we should never eat uncovered food. We should not eat uncovered food because all the mosquitoes, flies, lizards, whatever may be in your house, it may be roaming in the kitchen. Yeah, at the night when you sleep. So we should not eat uncovered food. We should keep the food closed. Yes, children? Yeah, we should drink filtered water. Always we should drink filtered water. Yeah, yes, and also we should eat fresh and clean food. Yes, we should eat fresh and clean food like fruits, vegetables, yeah, leafy vegetables. We should eat these all things. So these were the instructions the doctor gave Anush to follow. Then what did the Anush do? He said, I will follow all these rules. Yeah, and from the next day itself, he started to keep himself clean and healthy. So, children, are you following these all things? Yes, we should follow, children, or else we'll get sick. Yeah? Yes, and also before eating the food, you should always wash your hands. Whatever you may eat, any snack or anything, before eating, we should put soap in our hand and we should wash our hand very neatly. After that, only we should eat the food. Yes, and we were studying about activity part, right? Have you all completed the activity part? Yeah, did you all write it down in your test book? Yeah, you should write, children, or else you will be what will happen if you not write? Yeah, you will be last in the test. You will be not able to study. For that sake only, you have to complete the whatever the activity part is there. You should complete. Yeah, we have already studied about the page number 6 and 7. We have completed already, and 8 also. Now we are in page number 9. Open your textbook and see, and go to the last video and listen it, and again you have to complete it. If you are not completed by seeing the video, complete your textbook activity part. Yes. Now in last video I have said you one homework, right? This was your homework. Did you all complete? Yeah, maybe you might have been complete, some may not. Now I will answer these. Covered, uncovered. What is the opposite of cover? Covered is uncovered. Clean, clean. What clean? Unclean. If it is clean means, not clean means, we'll say uncleaned. Regularly, irregularly. Bitter, sweet. Active, inactive. Happy, unhappy. Yes. Here are some answers related to these. Match the following. Look here. These are the answers. Just write it beside the column 2 so that you can identify or recognize the correct opposite words. Okay, children? These are the answers of the vocabulary. Page number 9. Match the opposites. Column 1 and column 2. In your textbook also it is there. Just go through the textbook, children. Yes. Next. Yeah, there is a vocabulary here also. Use the following words in a sentence. Yeah, these are some words, right? Hungry, eatable, stomach, doctor, medicine. There are 5 words. We should use these words and convert it into a sentence. Yes, the first one is hungry. Can you make your own sentence on hungry? Just think about it and answer. I am very hungry today. Yeah, the first word hungry is been used in the sentence. Look, the word has been used in the middle of the sentence, right? Yeah, even you should do like that only. Convert any sentence in the word hungry. Okay, I am very hungry. Look, the word hungry has been come into the sentence, right? Yeah, next, eatables. So eatables, we should buy eatables from the vendor who keeps them covered. Yeah, we should buy the eatables. Eatables means what? You eat that food, right? Which we get in the roadside. Those all foods we eat, right? Yeah, before eating those things we should check whether the person has kept the food covered or not. If not covered, we should not take from the vendor, that vendor. We should go to the another vendor who has kept the food clean. From them we should take the eatables and we should eat that. Yes, stomach ache. Dirty food can cause stomach ache. Yes, stomach ache. See, they have given a best example. Dirty food can cause stomach ache. If you eat dirty food or with the dirty hands, we will get stomach ache. Yeah. Doctor. We should consult doctor when we fall sick. Yes. We should consult doctor, right? Without consulting doctor, we should not take any medicines. Yes, children? Yeah. We should consult the doctor when we get sick. We will go to the doctor or no? If we get fever or anything, cough, cold, we'll go to the doctor and we'll get checked by the doctor. Yeah, and he will say and to follow some rules, and also he will give some medicines, right, children? Yeah, we should follow those all so that if we get any sick, uh, we should first go to the doctor and take the medicines from them. Next, see, medicine is there. We can buy a medicine from a chemist shop. Yes. From where we'll buy the medicine, children? Yeah, medical shop, right? Yeah, not medical shop is nothing but chemist shop. Chemist is the medical shop. The proper word is chemist. Okay? Yeah, we will buy medicine from the chemist shop, right? We'll go to the medical shop or a chemist shop to buy the medicine from the medical. Yeah? Yes. Next. Yeah, there are some words, right? We have to repeat that. Listen and repeat. Vendor, doctor. Look. Vendor, doctor. Tailor, door. Store, order, ordinary. Yeah, you can see here. There are some what? Some are ending with the same words. Yes, children. Vendor. 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 Here DOC TOR. Look, OR is common in both the words. Both the words. Yes or no? Here there is also OR. Here also there is a OR. Look here. Tyler. It is ending with OR itself. And here also it's ending with OR. DOOR. Door. Yeah. TAIL. OR. Tyler. Here store. Look here. Even there is a OR in the store word. Yeah. STORE. Store. ORDER. Order. Yes. In both the words, the OR is a common. Even in the extraordinary. Yeah. Ordinary is also a word in which we can see OR. Yeah. The starting word is OR. Yeah. Look here. Order from store. Tailor at the door. An ordinary vendor. Call the doctor. By using these all words, what did they do? By using these all words, they made a sentence right here. Look, the sentence is order from store, tailor at the door, an ordinary vendor, call the doctor. Yeah, it's nice, right? We will order something from the store, right? The first sentence says that we will order something from the store. The second sentence is Tailor at the door. Tailor is standing at the door. It is saying like that. Yeah. An ordinary vendor. All the vendors will be ordinary. They will be standing there to sell the food on the roadside. Yes? Yeah. Call the doctor. If we get the sick, we'll call the doctor. Yes, children? Yeah. Next. Now, it is your work, children. You have to write. Yeah? You think yourself, and with the help of your parents you have to write this, you have to complete this. Okay, imagine you are Anuj. Now you have to imagine that you are Anuj. Yeah, what did Anuj get? He got stomach ache, right? Now you think that you have got the stomach ache. The doctor advised you to keep yourself clean. Yes, what did the doctor do? He said you to keep yourself clean. Now, write a short paragraph on all the points the doctor told you to do. So, now what you have to do? You have to write a paragraph. In page number 10, you can see in your textbook there are some lines given there. Now, you have to imagine yourself as a Anuj. Think that you are a Anuj and the doctor has said something to follow you. Yeah. Now, in the textbook, the Anuj has been said to, yeah, what did he say? The Anuj has been said to keep himself clean, right? Yeah. Even for you, the doctor has said to keep yourself clean. You're thinking yourself as a Anuj, right? Now, what the advice has been given to the Anuj, write it down here. You should write one by one, neatly and cleanly. Okay? Okay, children. You have to do this work at your home. Yeah? I'll be checking it. Next. Now, look here. Activity. Find the difference in two rooms. Which room would be like to be in? Yeah. Now, look here. This room is how it is. This room is little bit organized. Yeah, the left one is little bit organized, but the right one is very messy. It is very dirty. The glass has been fallen down. Yeah, the photo frame has been fallen down. Yeah, the bed sheets has been not folded properly. The glass has been fallen down. Yeah, but here everything has been what? It has been very organized. What difference you can look here? Yeah, the photo frame, which is not hanging on the wall, but it has fallen down. Here it has hanged on the wall. And also look here, the photo frame here, it is crossed. Yeah, children, and the circles, the half circles are also in different shape, but here it is in correct shape. And also look here, the bed sheet, the sheet has been folded right here, but here the sheets has been left like that only. And also look here, the pillow is not organized correctly, but here the pillow is organized. And also the glass is standing here, and here in this picture the glass has been fallen down. Yes, there are so many difference in this picture. Yes, children. Yeah, in which room you would like to live? Yeah, which room did you like in this both picture? Yeah, of course, the first room, right, children? Yeah, we all like to live in a clean and um, healthy room. Yeah, where there is no dirtiness in the room. Yes, children. Look, compared to this room, it is more dirty, but here it has been clean. So, what is your work is you have to identify the difference between these two. In page number 11, there is a two picture in your textbook. Just how they have circled here. Yes, they have been circled right here like this, like this. Yeah, it has been circled. What are the things, the difference are there? So even you should also circle those things in your textbook. Okay? Yes. I am saying repeatedly, children, I'll be checking your books. I'll be seeing in online class itself. If you're not done your homework, you will be sitting with your parents, right? I will ask them, why have you not done the homework? Yeah? You should do these all things in your textbook. Okay. Yes, children, I hope you all understood the first lesson clearly. I have repeated again and again. Yeah? Yes. Keep reading the textbook, children. Read the lesson once again with the help of your parents. Okay? Yes. Until then, bye. Meet you in the next video. Happy learning.